Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. Today I'll be demonstrating how I created this painting using the Dutch pour method. I am a Patreon member of the Massey Art Studio. We call each other the Massey Posse. One of the benefits is that the Massey Boys gives us a painting challenge each week. And this week's challenge was to do a painting inspired by Lori Finzer. You might know her better as Sparkle. And if you've ever met her or interacted with her in one of the live chats in the premieres, you'll know that she's unforgettable. So I created a forget-me-not flower. So Lori, I hope you enjoy it. And everybody who watches, I hope you give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you'd like to see more. Stay to the very end for close-ups of the wet and the dry results. And the description box below this video will also have the colors that I've used, detailed hints and tips that I have for the technique, as well as the link to Sparkle's Fluid Art channel. So thank you very much. Enjoy. Hello everyone. So tonight I was in the mood to do a Dutch pour. So I'm going to get back to my disruption pours, but I have an idea for a Dutch pour and I'm kind of excited about it. I want something that looks vaguely like a flower again. So I have as a base coat some leftover grays, blacks, whites, some metallics in there. I think there's some silver. And it's a beautiful, beautiful color. So that is what we're going to use as a base. I have some Amsterdam's Lamp Black. I have Amsterdam Pearl White with a little bit of titanium white mixed in. And I have Amsterdam Sky Blue Light. And then I have Amsterdam's Brilliant Blue. Actually, I'm going to use this color to show you the consistency. So if you struggle with Dutch pours, I think it's really good to show you this consistency. I'll get really close here. Do you see how this hits the surface and then disappears immediately? So there's a little bit of a mound, but it disappears immediately. This is the thickest I would use for a Dutch pour. Most of the time, and I use it at this thickness when I want a lot of control. If I want something really something like what Rinska Downa would do, something very abstract and really soft edges, then I would use a very, very thin consistency. So when it drizzles off of the stick, it leaves no mound at all, and in fact it kind of concaves as it hits. That is the other consistency that I sometimes use. But this is the thickest that I would use. So the first thing we're going to do is put down our base coat, this beautiful gray metallic. Okay. So I have this little plastic thing that I use for my magic dome pours. It's a half of a Christmas ornament that that you stuff with Christmassy things and hang on a tree. So I'm just using half of it. There was a little tab here so it could hang on the tree, and I've removed that and then put a little piece of plastic so that it's a smooth edge again. So I'm gonna find the center. I'll use a piece of string to find my center, corner to corner here, and corner to corner here. There we go. I'll place that as close to the center as we can get it. It doesn't have to be perfect. There we go. And we're going to start with our white. Pour some white right over top of that. Go to the Brilliant Blue next. Sky Blue. A little bit more of the white, just in a couple of areas. Just a touch of the black. We'll come back to the black later. But that looks good for now. Go. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to blow this out now.
It's gonna be a fine day today, I can see. It's gonna be a fine day today, I can see. Gonna be a fine day today for you and me. It's gonna be a fine day today, just wait and see.
Better, much better, much better, much better, much better. Okay. Now let's pull this in. Right there a little bit. Nice. Okay, so a little metal skewer here. Right underneath. Up.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'cause you're a work of art. You should know that you are perfect with those flaws. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Know that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You're stronger than the others think, and who cares if you might mess it up? Shine, go ahead and shine, darling, go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine, shine, darling, go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine.
Okay, so here's the overhead view. Kind of a simple flower shape. I'm thinking like a forget-me-not little flower. I kind of like it. The center gave me fits, just like it's done in the last couple of videos I've done. But I'm pretty happy with the results on this one. So let me take you in for a close-up. These colors are gorgeous together. I love this gray base with the metallics in it. The light blue and the brilliant blue played really well with all of the other colors. Lots of good flowing motion coming out. Did 4 petals instead of 5 on this flower. Just made it easier for the composition. And there's my balloon dipped center. I had to do that a couple of times to get the shape and form I was hoping for. I like to bring the lines of the petals in here, but I don't want them to interfere with what's happening. So I really like this one right here. I love this one, how it fades into the center. I think that one worked out probably the best of all of them. Those two kind of change direction as it hits there. It's not ideal, but I think it looks okay. I added a couple of lines to show on the petals, kind of little veins or folds. Makes it a little more organic. And I used the straw to blow out the edges, so we don't have any hard, firm edges. I like it to look kind of wind blown. Yeah, so this is a fun one, so I probably will call this Forget-Me-Not. I think it's cute. So I hope you enjoyed. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you'd like to see more. And come back and see me sometime.